Hello everyone, this is the project for today. If you would like to see how it was made, please keep watching. For this project, I used several different colors of cardstock paper in different textures. I made it a point to pick paper that I already had in my collection, various cut-offs from old paper flowers that I've cut before in other projects. And I really think the colors that I chose complement each other quite well. I was quite pleased. For this project you will need a hot glue gun, a pencil, hot glue sticks, a pair of scissors, and possibly a pair of craft scissors. I begin by pairing up all similar petals and cutting a slit into all of them at the same time to make sure that they are the same length. Then I proceed to put just a small dot of hot glue and fold over the end slightly. You don't want to fold over too much, then your petal will stand straight up. Try to fold the flower petals as uniformly as you can possibly do. Then select the correct circle. I like to place my petals around the edge to see if they fit properly and if they are going to give me the right size flower. In this case, I'm going to use the larger circle. I then proceed to draw a 5-pointed star, spinning the circle as I go to make sure I'm correct, but of course, mistakes are inevitable, and that's why we have erasers. Just a little dab of glue will work just fine to attach a petal. As you can see, I've overlapped the petals, and the last petal I am careful to make sure it tucks under and goes over the last petal to continue my pattern. Proceed to attach the center group of petals, placing each petal in between the last two. You may find that the last petal is quite difficult to fit in, so I like to cut a little piece of the petal out, making it easier to tuck behind the other petal. Sometimes this move is successful and sometimes not so much. But I believe I have found success. Just a little bit more, and then just glue in place. If you're interested in the PDF pattern for this paper flower arrangement, you can find it on my Etsy shop at Take It Breezie, as well as some other PDFs that you might like. Just a little bit more. Success! So now I'm just taking the center pieces, just gather the stamens together and glue one by one. And 3 pieces should do it, I hope. You can take a pen or a pencil. In this case, I'm using a hot glue stick to curl all the ends before I glue it down. And our flower is nearly complete. Normally, I like to fold the petals in half so I have a crease in the middle, and it sort of gives the flower a different type of look, a more uniform look. Just looks a little cleaner. So if you want to do that, if you choose to do that, that's what I normally do with this particular flower, but I forgot. For the center, I am simply using a long, thin piece about 1 inch thick and about 8 inches long, and I am cutting little tiny slits until I get what you see here. I then proceed to cut the excess paper off, and I'm going to start rolling it and periodically putting a little bit of hot glue to secure it. It should just take one drop of glue to make sure that this is secure to the flower. Yeah, I think that works nicely. The next flower are going to be shades of teal, and I am cutting a slit into the groups of petals as I did before. The only difference with this particular flower as opposed to the other one is that I'm going to be curling each petal to give it more of a petal-like look. So I'm going to let you enjoy the rest of the video. I'll probably chime in here and there if I see the need to add a little bit more of information. Enjoy! I chose to use a pair of craft scissors right here, but you can use any kind of scissors you want, regular scissors or any pattern that you choose. But I just wanted to see what it looked like. I was a little curious, and I have to say that I kind of liked it. Had a good feel to it. I was really pleased with the outcome.